CM9L Integrated Construction Lab teaches about simple structures and the use of small tools in the construction industry. In this class, students will understand the fundamental wood structures, but also work as a team. At the fundamental level, CM9L students are in the sophomore level. That's when they actually already get some knowledge and skills about construction design, how to read a set of plans. Then they are excited to get their hands on some materials. Later on, they will actually try to look at a project as if they are a manager. So that's more about not only just doing the work, but also how can we actually make the projects complete within time, within budget, as well as with quality. Whether or not they can actually get the structure completed is one thing. That's of course important for them to have a sense of accomplishments. But more importantly is we want them actually to fail sometimes, and also to know there are certain ways can do this project better in the future. That really gives them a sense about construction projects, no matter how small it is, has to be carefully planned, executed, and you also have to care about time, and you work against nature because of the weather. All those frustrations and eventually pick up and continue, that becomes an important lesson learned for the future career. For the last couple of years, we are actually witnessing a booming in our industry. So the career prospect for our students oftentimes is pretty prominent. And almost every single student who have done their due diligence, they will typically graduating with at least 2 job offers in their hands with a very competitive starting salary, which is extremely fortunate.